What if today was your second chance at life? Not a dream, not a promise, but a real, living moment to start again. Every day gives you a blank page. The past may be written in ink, but your future is still wide open. The world doesn't care about who you were yesterday. It only cares about what you do next. Maybe you failed. Maybe you quit when it got hard. Maybe you lost faith in yourself. But the truth is, you're still here, still breathing, still capable of changing everything. Every sunrise carries a quiet message. You get another shot. You don't need perfect conditions, perfect timing, or perfect confidence. You just need the courage to move, one small step at a time. Each morning is a silent invitation to rise stronger, to rebuild your focus, to chase what matters. Pain taught you. Failure shaped you. But this moment, right now, defines you. So take the weight of yesterday and leave it behind. Lift your head, straighten your back, step into the light. Because this day, this heartbeat, is a new chance to become the person you were meant to be. Don't wait for another tomorrow. Start now, because every day is a new chance.